In today's short video, I am going to share 5 ways to focus on goal setting and manifesting those goals as quickly as possible. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome back. My name is Dom, and I help people to step into their truth and power. You know, life sometimes feels like it's nothing but an obstacle course. And it's how to get through that obstacle course to manifest your desired goals that most people seem to have a problem with. It's only normal to encounter some struggles or obstacles along the way. However, when they start to become a nuisance to the point of almost putting a stop to your progress, or even worse, making you completely abandon your desires and goals, it's time to stop. It's time to stop, step back, and reevaluate what you should really do next. So with that said, I'm going to provide some helpful, tested pointers that will keep your attention focused and in manifesting a desired end state or goal that you have. So number 1 is to think positive. So this means not quitting or giving up, especially when you've put work behind you already, when you're midway in. Quitting is the absolute last resort, not the first consideration. To quit is tantamount to going back to the starting line again. That is a boatload of time, energy, money, and a whole lot of things just wasted and lost. It's so much more costly to quit than to have some patience to find a solution to the problem or challenge that you're facing, not to mention the frustration one feels as well. More often than not, we don't need to scrap everything entirely to break through, but simply we just need to tweak or change a little something that helps to redirect us to manifest an improved experience. Number 2, try to remain stress-free as possible. This means keeping a clear, open, and tense-free mind. Now, it's so important for us to do this because it will always set us up to be ready to receive new ideas. It opens us up to think in a wide-scale manner that often will open new options to eliminate the particular obstacle that you are currently dealing with. Number 3, be resilient. Persist to persevere. Now, resilience is the capacity to recover more quickly. And this occurs when we persist and persevere, exhausting every possibility, even to the point of using trial and error to figure things out. Number 4, simulate in your mind. For a moment, step back and try to picture in your head the outcome that you are wanting to manifest and simulate possible opportunities and solutions to help overcome and or solve the obstacle. And number 5, ask for help. Resist waiting until all else fails to get assistance. You might want to consider hiring a professional coach, because working one-on-one with a coach will eliminate so much of the frustration, and it'll actually put you on a faster track to manifest what you're desiring. Whether it's a life coach that you're looking for, a health coach, or some type of business coach, they will be able to help you to see opportunities for what you can't see for yourself. I refer to these areas as blind spots. It is one of the biggest values that hiring a coach has brought to me, and so I encourage you to consider doing the same. Their guidance, at least for me in my experience, has been worth their weight in gold in helping me to stay in momentum and moving forward toward the goals and manifesting the goals that I desire to achieve. So if hiring a coach is something that you feel would help you, and you would like to explore having me coach you because you feel that there could be a good connection between us to work together that would help you to move forward, I invite you to simply connect with me and send me a message, and we can explore what that arrangement might look like together. And so with that, I am curious. What are you struggling to manifest in your life right now? Share that in the comments because I would love to encourage you and support you in helping to bring it forward for you. And if you found this video helpful, I'd like to invite you to also join my brand new free online community, ProEmpowerment Online. I am sharing valuable content similar to this in the newsfeed of that community each week. But even more, you'll have the ability to join in the conversation in a safe place where you can share freely with like-minded people without feeling judged or being shut down or censored for your beliefs. To join me in the community, it's 100% free. All you have to do is just click on the ProEmpowerment Online link in the comments and description box below, and I will see you soon inside the community. And so with that, I would like to thank you for joining me today. I love having you here, and I hope that you're taking value from these videos. But until I connect with you again for my next video, be well, be healthy, and stay empowered.